Mopboyz trying to tell me a scooter ain't a real bike. Explain this.
Mopboyz. When that two-stroke pop, tell me who want to smoke with us. 12 o'clock on your block, this summer scraping, it won't stop. Make them 70s rip, this castle smell like piss. Now, you're fucking shit now, homie. I'm not fucking crazy. Fish, Malosi and Polini, stay up on me, bitch, I'm dip. Ping, 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 ping. Just go there, go. Just go there, go.
Harley scooter. What's good, gang?
What's good, gang?
How you doing, man?
I'm doing great.
Holy smokes.
She got some miles on her, but
Oh, that's clean, bro. What you think of it?
I say he's a brother.
the tail light out because I let a E-boy
Yeah, no.
rip it, and he's like, "Oh no, it's a two-stroke. It's making noises and stuff," and he looped it. But yeah, she still bips though.
All right, gotta put you on a real hog.
Two-stroke. It's a two-stroke, right?
Yeah.
I bet.
You talk a lot about hogs.
I crank my hog often. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck. The Uber taking long as hell, I walk back.
We got you a real hog today.
Okay. I'm gonna vomit a little bit, but
What do you mean you're gonna vomit?
I mean, I guess this will do.
What?
It's not a two-stroke.
No, it's a two-stroke. It's a two-stroke.
Yes.
It's a two-stroke.
Oh yeah, this gonna do. Look at this rig. Let me see. Okay.
Fill it out.
Okay.
Fill it out for size.
Oh, this rig's gonna do. Hell yeah. This is an actual like
That's
real
a real hog.
I was about to vomit in my mouth when I saw that.
That's what you thought we were talking about, bro? I told you a real hog.
I was praying you weren't. I'm like, oh, he think it's a game. He think it's a game. Damn. She barks like hell.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Now she's riding it. Yeah, feel her out.
I never been on a hog like this.
Take her for a spin, man.
Why does she bip like hell?
All right, boys, it is time for another giveaway. And this time we are doing a horizontal minarelli. We have a complete engine that is ready to be dropped in a scooter, and that's gonna go to one of you guys. One of you guys will be lucky enough to win this engine here by simply just grabbing something off the website. So in this engine, we have a Polini Corsa cylinder with a Polini race crank in here, all fresh Polini bearings, and then we have a full entire CVT setup as well with the Polini clutch, stage 6 clutch bell. We have a CP21 carb on here with a stage 6 intake, and this engine is ready to rip. It actually has already been ran, and we've tested it and broke this motor in. We know that it runs, we know that it's dialed, and it's time to give it to one of you guys. By simply grabbing any item off the merch shop, as simple as a new sticker pack, which comes with 5 stickers in here. All the stickers will be here on the screen that are included in here, or one of these sweet little keychains that you can throw on your scooter, or by simply grabbing any of the new designs that we have on the website. We just dropped a bunch of new merch on the website. So as you can see here, we have the crew neck, bunch of sick designs right now on the website. So make sure you guys check that out and get your entries in. Every single item you buy is one entry to win. You buy one thing, you get one entry. You buy two entries. And just like last time we did a giveaway, we are ready to ship this thing anywhere in the world. So last time, the winner of the vertical minarelli actually lived in Germany. Lucky enough, he had a vertical minarelli scooter that he tossed the engine in. This one is even better in my opinion, because if you don't have a horizontal minarelli bike already, they sell adapters for ruckus, pre-bug, and everything else. Guys, check out Mopboyz.com, always down in the description below. Grab yourself some entries. This giveaway will be going on until October 10th, so you have plenty of time to get your entries in. We will be doing a live drawing at the end, and someone will win this engine. We'll be shipping it to you for free if you live in the US, but if you live overseas, you will have to cover the shipping and import fees that hit you once it gets overseas. This is worth about $2,000 US. It is obvious that it is a win-win no matter what you do with this engine. So make sure you get your entries in now, grab some merch, support the website, and let's get to the video. Yeah.
This is a unit.
Yeah, we're gonna get you right today.
Let's do it.
We need more biker gear. We're gonna find some more biker gear. Dude, that little fucking thing is burning me.
110. 110 and a 50.
Nice bikes. Thanks, bro.
Look,
Appreciate you.
Look.
Yes,
Does it look bad at all?
Yeah.
If you cut those leaves, there's got to be the car.
Cause look, we gotta go all the way up and around.
Oh yeah. I'm thinking this thing just blew up.
I think you're good.
Put it in neutral and give it a rev.
Oh, you're good.
Oh.
You drifted.
Yeah, you're that 2JZ.
Sounds better than it used
It just needed a brake going up the hill.
You're just burping, I think.
Look.
Do you like the car?
You don't like it?
It's not for everybody. It's an acquired taste.
No leather was found at thrift stores. We gotta figure out something for bro, but we need to get on the hogs, bro. It's a beautiful day to go ride some hogs.
I like the car.
I appreciate that, man. Thank you.
Very nice.
I appreciate that, man. Sleeveless.
A little rough draft, a little mock-up.
Yup.
Cut about 75% neck off. About 98 off the sleeve. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm doing it.
That shit hard.
Calm down.
Calm down. I love that. What the hell happened to her? She lost her power.
Hold on.
Oh my. So I got this for you.
You did?
Yeah, I got this
For
for you
me?
right here. This is for you, buddy. This is gonna get you right. This is that 70 kit.
That's the 70?
Yeah, that's gonna get your hog right.
You think that's what's wrong with it right now?
Yeah, 1000%. Feel me?
You gotta get that done.
Let's get these hogs on the road, brother. You know what I'm saying? Alright, here's the deal. We're not looking to sell this thing, but as a fellow hog rider, I'm always looking for an upgrade. So we're gonna take this thing to Harley Davidson right now, see what the trade-in value is. I'm thinking 2026 Road Glide, probably be a fair trade. So we'll see what they say.
You think they got budget for this rig?
I don't think so. I have to throw in some helmets, some gear,
Another
maybe
vest?
another vest. We'll see.
We'll take our talents
Yeah.
to Yamaha or something.
Yeah, we'll go elsewhere. We are at the one and only Harley Davidson right now, not to see if they will buy our hog, but to see if they have the budget to afford a bike like that.
Yeah, her bike sales been down. I got somebody on the inside. You know,
Yeah.
Yeah, sales been down this year. Budget's not looking too good.
Let's see what they offer. Let's see if it's even worth it. How we doing, man?
How's it going?
Yeah, bro. What's up?
Do you guys buy bikes here?
Yeah.
You guys will do like an appraisal?
Yeah. Harley, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a
Harley
hog.
Davidson.
We got a hog.
It
out front.
can't be anything but Harley Davidson.
Yeah, it can't be anything but.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, we got a hog out front.
Okay.
See,
Yeah, let me get you with Mark over there. He's our bike buyer.
Oh, he's the guy that buys them all?
Yeah.
All right. That's who we need to talk to then.
Yeah.
So they only will price Harley Davidsons. So today's our lucky day, my boy. Let's see. We might make a sale. I was thinking, you know,
it
I
has to
would
fit
go.
two. It has to fit two. though.
Yeah.
Have to add on cash if they want to.
Well, obviously gear, helmets for everybody, vests. You know. Oh, look, he looks like he's coming out. This is this one. Come on.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, we said hog. This one right here.
You think Mike's gonna buy it?
Really, we're concerned because we got somebody on the inside. We know sales. We know sales been low this year. I want to know if you guys got the budget for a rig like this. You think maybe like 2 Pan Americas or something like that, or maybe something?
Oh man.
We might have to have them.
Fucking sick.
All right.
Here she
Yeah,
is.
we kind of want to get a price for it so we know what we can maybe get. It's this one over here. It's this one over here.
You're kidding.
This hand built. You see, I was thinking, you look like a smart man. My name's Andy, by the way. I know how the bike sales have been this year. I got somebody on the inside myself. How we think like 2 Pan Americas or something like that for this rig?
2 Pan Americas for that?
Yes.
No.
3?
No.
What do we? He level with me here. I'm just
Oh, damn.
it's hand built.
I could see that.
Yeah.
American made. I know you appreciate
American made.
Yep.
These fucking liars says Yamaha on the side of it.
What happened?
Got
Oh, dude, I knew it.
What the crap?
Oh my goodness.
Oh man. Okay, so now let's be real.
All right, well,
let's be real. We have a busted teller. How about 1 Pan America and a couple of no?
No.
So let's just, all things considered, you know bikes, I know bikes, right? We just inspect these welds right here. What do you think based on look at the welds on the exhaust?
Yeah, looks all right. What I can say, you know.
What are you starting up for?
Should I?
Yeah, man.
You want to hear? It runs. It runs. We didn't trailer her here.
Absolutely.
I got you.
Ride it.
Yeah. You have ear protection or no? Or just, okay.
I'm good.
All right.
I'm deaf already.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh, hold on.
Wobbles. Automatic clutch.
CVT.
That's pretty cool.
She is a low mile bike. We're only sitting at 9,200.
Yeah.
How many times have we took this one to Sturgis?
This thing's gone across the country a couple times actually.
Yeah.
But 2 people deep. We did have a sidecar on it for a while. Yeah, it gets about 100 miles to the gallon. We would consider a used trade-in.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn her off so you can think a little bit better. All right, so we're gonna be real here, right? We're not getting a Pan America.
Okay.
Road Glide.
No, that ain't gonna work
No.
either.
Whoever's in charge of the budget, we need that guy.
Just maybe a cash price. Like, what do you think it's worth to you as a Harley person?
I have no idea. It's priceless.
Mike, I knew you were a smart man the moment I laid eyes on
appreciate
you.
you, my man. Thank you.
It's priceless.
Thank you. Thank you.
What do you think, Troy?
What's priceless?
Priceless.
He's a smart man. Smart man.
All right. Well, guys, do you really want to trade it for something? Because I will take it and trade it.
You guys make 2-strokes? If you have a 2-stroke, we'll trade her in for a 2-stroke right now.
I like 2 strokes.
Don't we all?
I like 2 strokes.
There we go.
Of course, he wants to park next to the hall.
Maybe he'll want to trade.
Well, they got the same fairing.
What are we thinking? Even trade right now? Cash on top?
No, we don't take CBOs, bro.
Oh, we don't take CBO. This is a CVT model. Yeah.
Here?
2018, I believe. I mean, pray the front wheel
Stays on the
feels like getting back down. She's a handful, as you can see.
Yeah. It looks like it's been well cared for, though.
She's got bags.
Welcome
Leather.
back.
Genuine leather, by the way.
Genuine leather.
We'll throw in the helmet if we can get maybe like a Sportster. You think maybe? Okay.
Nice try.
Well, Harley couldn't afford the bike. It's that simple. Trade-in value, they didn't have anything we wanted. I didn't see any Panameras,
They didn't have the
Panoramics.
budget. Really what had happened was, I said, yo, Mike, I saw some Pan Americas in there. What can we do? He said, I ain't gonna lie to you, we don't have enough Pan Americas to trade up for this.
Yeah.
I'm like, I feel you. How about, can we do Pan America road? He said, we're fresh out of road glides.
Yeah.
Street glide, we're fresh out of street.
2-3 months before we get more shipments in.
So really what it was, they didn't have the budget. There wasn't enough higher ups in there to get us situated as far as finances goes.
Yeah, it's whatever. We'll figure it out. We're not mad at Harley. You know, Harley, awesome people. They couldn't take this bike away from us today, and that's fine. I'm not mad that we get to keep this thing. We got plenty of things we can do with it. Maybe Harley will make something 2-stroke.
Maybe Harley will come to her senses, allocate some funds, give Mike a call. Would you give Mike a call?
Yeah,
Let
call
him
him up.
know. Shout out Mike though.
Shout out Mike. Shout out Harley Davidson. Shout out Mike. We get to keep her. It's that simple. That's gonna do it for the Harley scooter, but if you want to get your scooter ripping, make sure you check out Mopboyz.com. You can grab a fresh t-shirt like that, get an entry to win this engine right here. Throw this thing in your bike, get ripping. That's gonna do it for this one, boys. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye, John. That's it.
I'm about to put these out, but
These are unreleased,
yeah.
but he's got them on right there.
They still unreleased though. They're still unreleased.
All right, I'm gonna take these bad boys off for the day. Well, these boys nice.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
We for sure all gotta go on the Mopboyz.
Your phone.
I'm filming.